Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by heating 2 tablespoons oil in a wide pan. Once shimmering, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and 1/2 teaspoon cumin so they pop and flavor the oil. While they crackle, add the chopped onion and slit green chilies and sauté until the onion is translucent. This builds the base flavor. Once the onion softens, add turmeric and salt to taste, then immediately toss in the thinly sliced cabbage so it starts steaming rather than burning. You now season with 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 3/4 teaspoon red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon coriander powder, stirring so the spices coat the cabbage evenly. Once mixed, cover the pan for 3 to 4 minutes to trap steam. Make sure to stir every 2 minutes to prevent sticking and allow even cooking. If the pan seems dry, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water so the cabbage softens without browning. Continue until the cabbage is tender crisp. You finish by uncovering the pan, stirring in 1 tablespoon lemon juice and a handful of chopped cilantro for brightness. Taste and adjust salt accordingly. Cook uncovered for another 1 to 2 minutes so excess moisture evaporates and the edges get slight caramelization. For serving, make sure cabbage is neither mushy nor raw. If it's soggy, increase heat and sauté for a minute or 2 to tighten texture, and if bland, add a pinch more salt or a squeeze of lemon to lift flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.